Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we will do some activities related with physical change and chemical change. In such activities, we will take some materials from the kitchen and you all are detective to find whether the activity is related with the physical change and chemical change. We will take very first a piece of paper and fold it into a toy aeroplane. Very easily we can make. बच्चों का फेवरेट गेम्स हुआ करता था, ठीक है, छोटे छोटे बच्चे बहुत बनाते हैं टॉयज एरोप्लेन. एंड वी विल टेक अनदर पेज टू मेक द पेपर बोट as shown in the activity. You may have lots of fun in playing this plane and playing with boat. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. Was the size of the paper same as before and after making toy aeroplane and boat? What do you conclude? क्या कंक्लूड निकाला कि जो पेज हमने स्टार्टिंग में लिया था सेम ही पेज हमें ओरिजिनल पीस वापस मिल गया आफ्टर मेकिंग द एरोप्लेन. सी सेम केस in case of boat. So it is a temporary change and we can reverse it. So it is a physical change because we will get the same page again. Clear? Next activity we will do with the help of dough. In one pan we will take some amount of dough and make a ball. Try to roll out a roti. As shown in the activity, it's also very funny game. Most of the time, so many kids are playing with this dough. Maybe you are not happy with its shape and size, but wish to change it back into a ball of dough again. So now question arises in your mind कि whether change in its physical property or not. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होती हैं? अगर मटेरियल के साइज, शेप और स्टेट में चेंज होता है उन सारी चीजों को हम क्या कह रहे हैं, उन सारे फैक्टर्स को क्या कह रहे हैं? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. इसमें क्या चेंज हो रहा है? साइज में चेंज या शेप में चेंज या इसकी स्टेट में चेंज? तो कोई चेंज नहीं हो रहा. अगर चेंज नहीं हो रहा है तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? फिजिकल चेंज. क्लियर? इफ changes in its shape, size, state or change, maybe we can say that it is irreversible, so it is called chemical change. Very interesting activities. See, we will unfold the roti and make a ball and we will get the same dough again. So what type of change is this? This is a physical change. क्लियर? फिजिकल चेंज और केमिकल चेंज में बेसिक क्या है, डिफरेंस क्या है? केमिकल चेंज में क्या होता है? परमानेंट चेंज. आवर थर्ड एक्टिविटी इज विद कैंडल. टेक अ कैंडल and fix it at a suitable place and light it. Let it burn for some time. You will observe two things here. One, when the wax is melting. Second thing, the thread is also burning. So two changes takes place simultaneously. That is physical change and chemical change. How? When wax is melting, it is a physical change. But as thread is burning, it is a chemical change. Because we can collect the wax in a pan and heat it again to give the same shape as a candle. So it is a physical change. While tilt the candle and collect some wax in a pan. But when thread is burning, can we get the thread again? Answer will be no, because the thread of the candle burn into some gases and ash that we can't get again. So if new material is formed and change is permanent and irreversible, that change is called chemical change. So both the changes takes place side by side, that is a physical change and a chemical change. Clear? I hope such videos are very helpful to you. Thank you. Thank you so much.